has learned to fly, and I've always been a daughter. The feathers are meant for the sky, and so I'm wishing further for the excitement to arrive. It's just I'd rather be causing the chaos than laying at the sharp end of this knife. With every small disaster, I'll let the water still take me away to someplace real. 'Cause they say home is where your heart is sitting, stone is where you go when you're alone, is where you go to rest your bone. It's not just where you lay your head, it's not just where you make your bed. As long as we're together, does it matter where we go? So when I'm ready to be bolder, and my cuts have healed with time, comfort will rest on my shoulder, and I bury my future behind.